never miss the mark on good taste. And you won't with our brand new Grilled Easy cooking thermometer and timer. So it's 2 items in one. That's right, you get this nice big display, very important. So you can use it as a timer or, to make sure your meats and chicken and fish are all to the perfect temperature. So you'll see here, as I hold it, you see that going up? So you have this nice large imprint area. So you can also laser it if you want to laser engrave it. This is stainless. And then you have this 40-inch stainless steel probe. That's right. That's what goes into that meat. Now, comes in this amazing box with all the directions. It's a great piece for employee appreciation. Think about golf outings. You're always looking for something different for golf outings. This would be perfect. And of course you have food and beverage companies, insurance, real estate. Listen, anytime you can give a gift that they'll use all the time, and everybody's happy when they eat. So this is a perfect item. So remember, the Grill Easy cooking thermometer and timer. Don't miss it.